Welcome to the next episode. Take a look at what we got today. These are going to be trim savers, specifically the rams on the back. As you can imagine, as you're moving around on the highway and this stern drive is going up and down, it does, even though it is hydraulic, it does put a lot of strain around the seals that are found in here. And over time, you'll probably notice a little bit of wear by just leaving it exposed like this. What you'll see some people do is they will take a strap and they'll put it underneath, and you'll see there's a hook right there on that right side, and then there's another one over here on this left side. And essentially you'll see it where someone will keep the strap under here in order to keep pressure off of the hydraulic lines. It works. Not a bad idea. They actually have this device that I've seen as well, which I think is pretty handy. And it actually did have an OMC part number. And if you got any questions about it, what part number, where I got it, leave a comment in the comments field below and I'll send you the part number. But you can see they have these pre-drilled holes here, and I'll talk to you a little bit about why those holes are even there in the first place. So without further ado, you can see that these are kind of like a half circle, and they have a little raised edge on each side, and that's because these physically wrap around the hydraulic ram here, if you would. And at first glance, if you go to put it up on it, you'll notice it's not a simple, like it's just gonna snap in there. You actually do have to put a good amount of pressure. And what I did is I just started it on one side, and then you'll hear it snap, and then it sits like that. Pretty neat, right? All right, let's grab the other one here. Install this one too. I guess we can install it the same way. All right, we'll just get the bottom started here. I would probably consider these good for like long-term storage. You could probably use it for everyday use as well. I'll tell you what, they are on pretty well. All right, so let's go ahead and lower the hydraulics here a little bit so it rests, this little piece here rests directly on the back of this plastic. Okay, let's go ahead and lower it kind of slowly because we don't want to damage something. Let's wait and listen. All right, let's take a look. See what that did for us. All right, not much, but like I said, this is the first time I've used these, so I'm not trying to break anything. All right. Okay, almost there. What do you think? Do you think we'll get it in this time? Oh yeah. You could hear it. You can actually hear the hydraulic pump. Yeah. And these are actually under a little bit of pressure now. I'd say that's good. I like it. I'm also going to raise it up just a little bit more. See what that does. All right. I want it to sit on it, but I don't want it to be under load. Yeah, see, it's actually kind of loose now. Interesting. All right. All right, so we just barely, and I mean barely, put this thing down where it started to make just a little bit of a a grunt noise. Okay. Now let's feed a little bit of wire through here. Call this thing good. Now I'll tell you right now, if you were here right now and you could actually feel how much pressure this thing is on, and it's not much, I can tell you that. Probably wouldn't worry about it too much. I guess if anything, what you could do, if you're really paranoid, is you can actually take this thing and flip it upside down. So, you know, as it's bouncing, it didn't fall, you know, something like that. But this is a pretty good winterization setup, I tell you what. Because these rams, I tell you, are not going to move at all. So that's gonna be it right there. And that is how to install these trim savers. I've never seen them installed on a boat before, but I've been meaning to show you all about them. And I think it's a lot easier than having that strap that connects under here, goes underneath the stern drive, then it connects to the other side. I think it's a lot cleaner look. It's a lot better looking in my opinion. So anyway, I hope you liked the video. If you've got any questions about the part number here and all that business, hit me up. Throw some comments in the comments field below. Like the video if you thought it was helpful. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed to my channel. And we will catch you on the next episode. Have a good one, everybody. Take it easy.